ब्रह्मनाथ ओम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Hello students and welcome to the video class of trigonometry. Today I am going to discuss the values of the sin 18 degree, cos 18 degree, sin 36 degree, cos 36 degree. Before that, I want to recall you the formula sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, etc. What is formula for sin 2a? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a to cos a. Another formula is sin 2a is equal to tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, cos 2a, there are 4 formulae. One is cos square a minus sin square a. Second one is 2 cos square a minus 1. Third one is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Fourth one is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, tan 2a. Formula for tan 2a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Formula for cot 2a, cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Sin 3 sin a into sin 3 formula. What is sin 3a? Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos 2a minus cos 3a. Sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 plus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. Similarly, cos a cos 60 minus a into cos 60 plus a equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a. Tan a tan 60 minus a into tan 60 degree plus a is equal to tan 3a. Okay, so let's start today's concept. Find the value of sin 18 degree. Okay, so let solution let theta is equal to 80 degree, 5 theta is equal to 90 degree, because 80 degree is unknown value, so 90 degree known value. So this is equal to 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90 degree. This implies 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. Okay, taking both sides sin 2 theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus 3 theta. Clear? And this is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to what? This is equal to cos 3 theta. What is formula for cos 3 theta? This is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Clear? And what is this? This is equal to, and this is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to what? Is equal to cos theta common. This is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. So cos theta goes cancel. This implies sin, and 2 sin theta is equal to what? 4 cos square theta minus 3, and this is equal to 2 sin theta is equal to 4 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 3. This implies 2 sin theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3, and this is equal to what? 4 sin square theta. This is 4 minus 3 here, 1, this minus 1, this is plus 2 sin theta, and this is minus 1 is equal to 0. It is quadratic in sin theta, so this is, here we know ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here what is for x? Sin theta. Here x is equal to sin theta, so sin theta is equal to minus b means minus 2 plus or minus b square means this is b square. 4 minus 4 into a means 4 and c means minus 1 divided by 2 into 4. Clear? 2 into 4. So this is equal to sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 4 into minus 1 root over and divided by 2 into 4. So what is this? This is equal to, and this is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root over 20 divided by 8, or sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. So sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 common here, 2 common, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 8. This cancel 4. So sin theta is one value minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, or we can, or sin theta is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. This is, since theta is equal to 18 degree, so sin theta is positive. So this is, therefore sin theta is equal to what? Root 5. Theta means what? 18. Sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, and this will be rejected. This is rejected because it is negative. Since theta is 18 degree, so lies in first quadrant, therefore sin 18 is positive. So value of sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now this is formula for sin 18. Sin 18 is equal to what? Sin 18 is equal to, sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to what? Cos 72 degree. This is a formula. You should remember this. Again, find the value of cos 36. Find the value of cos 36 degree. We know this is equal to solution. Cos 36 degree is equal to what? Cos 2 into 18 degree. What is cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin? Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Clear? So this is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degree. 1 minus 2 into sin 18 means root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 2 into this 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So 2, this is 8, and this is equal to what? Which is equal to 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 8. This is equal to what? This is equal to 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. 2 common, that is 1 plus root 5 by 8. So this cancel 4. This is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is value for cos 36. This is cos 36. Therefore, cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now another formula. Cos 36 is equal to sin 54. So cos 36 degree is equal to what? Sin 54 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. So another formula. Now this is one formula. You should remember this value. Again, find the value of cos 18. Find the value of cos 18 degree. Okay, this is question. cos 18 degree is equal to root over 1 minus sin square 18 degree. So as you know, 1 minus this is equal to what? 1 minus sin square 18. Sin 18 means root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is equal to what? 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So this is equal to root over 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by what? Divided by 16. So this is equal to 10 plus 2 root 5 root over 16 means 4. So 1 by 4 is. Now another formula is what? This is equal to cos 18 is equal to sin 72 degree is equal to what? 1 by 4 root over 10 plus 2 root 5. This is your answer, and you should remember this value. Again find the value of cos 36. Again find the value of cos 36. Again find the value of cos 36. Again find the value of cos 36 degree. Cos 36 is already discussed, and sin 36 degree. Okay, so sin 36 degree. What is this? Is solution. Sin 36 degree is equal to root over 1 minus cos square 36 degree. Cos square 36 degree. This is equal to 1 minus, what is the value of cos 36 degree? So cos 36 degree root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. This is equal to what? Root over 1, this is 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So this is equal to what? 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. This is equal to 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16 means 1 by 4 here. So this is equal to another formula. This is another formula. Okay, another formula. Another formula, that is sin 36 degree is equal to cos 54 degree is equal to what? 1 by 4 root over 10 minus 2 root 5. This is another values, and you should remember this. Now some problems related to this. Okay, find the value of find the value of 1075 degree plus cot 75 degree. Okay, solution 1075 degree plus cot 75 degree. We know value of 1075 degree. Value of 1075 degree equal to 2 plus root 3. Its value, and its value is what? 2 minus root 3. So this is plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Its value is 4. Another question. Find the value of sin 18 degree plus cos 36 degree. Okay, solution sin 18 degree plus cos 36 degree. We know value of sin 18 degree root 5 minus 1 by 4, and this is what? And this is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So LCM is what? LCM is equal to 4 root 5 minus 1 plus root 5 plus 1. This goes cancel, plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 4. This is equal to root 5 by 2. Now find the value of another question. Find the value of sin square 18 cos square 36 degree. So solution is Sin square 18 plus cos square 36 degree. This is equal to what? Sin square 18 means what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 5 plus 1 whole square. So remember these values. Okay, this is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16, and this is what? 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So LCM 16, 6 plus 6 12, and this cancel. Okay, 16 6 plus 6, this is 12, and plus minus cancel, 12 by 16. So 12 by 16 means what? 3 by 4 is your answer. Now another question, find the value of cot pi by 8 minus tan pi by 8. Find the value of cot pi by 8 minus tan pi by 8. So this can be written as what? We can cot pi by 8 minus 1 by cot pi by 8. This is equal to cot square pi by 8 minus 1 by cot A. Cot A means what? Pi by 8. We know cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A is equal to what? Cot 2A. Okay. Cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A equal to what? Cot 2A. Here cot square A minus 1 by cot A here present. So multiply and divide by 2. 2 into this is equal to cot square pi by 8 minus 1 divide by 2 into cot pi by 8, and this is equal to formula for what? This is formula for this is 2 remain as it. This is formula for cot 2 theta. 2 into theta means pi by 8. So this is equal to what? 2 cot pi by 4. 2 cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 means 1. So its value is 2. So final answer is 2. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.